Quick look. This chapter covers about keyboard, types of keys on a keyboard, use of shift key, do's and don'ts while using a keyboard. By now, we have learned about computer and its working ability. First data is entered, processed, and then result is displayed on the screen. The data can be entered using input devices. One of the important part and input device of the computer system is keyboard. Keyboard is an integral part of the computer system. It is a device like a typewriter. Look at the picture of a keyboard given below. Number keys, alphabet keys, function keys, special keys, number lock key, enter key, arrow keys, enter key, shift key, spacebar key, alt keys, control keys, shift key. Types of keys on a keyboard. A keyboard has different sets of buttons, keys on it. Alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys, special keys. Alphabet keys. The keys that are marked with the letters of English alphabet are called alphabet keys. These are used to type letters. These keys on a keyboard are not arranged in sequence from A to Z. We use the keys marked with the letter for typing words, sentences, or paragraphs. Number keys. The keys marked with numbers from 0 to 9 are called number keys. Suppose that you want to type your telephone or your class roll number. For this, you have to use the number keys. These keys are present in the row above the alphabet keys. You can also use the numeric keypad, which is on the right-hand side of the keyboard. In order to use numeric keypad, press the numlock key once to enter the numbers. The numlock light will turn on at the right side on the keyboard. Arrow keys. The four keys at the right-hand side of the keyboard marked with arrow signs are called arrow keys or cursor control keys. These are used for moving the cursor on the screen. The four keys are right arrow key, left arrow key, up arrow key, and down arrow key. Facts. Typewriter is the longest word that can be made using the letters only on one row of the keyboard. Special keys. Some keys cannot function itself but need help of some other keys. These are called special keys. Some of the commonly used special keys are Alt, Spacebar, Backspace, Delete, Caps Lock, Enter or Return, Escape, Shift, Control, Tab, Home, End. Caps Lock key. If we type something, it is typed in small letters. So, to type anything in capital letters, we use Caps Lock key. Caps Lock key is present on the top right corner of the keyboard. We press the Caps Lock key to switch it on. A small light glows which indicates that everything after it will be typed in capital letters. Backspace key. This key is used to erase that is typed on the left side of the cursor. By simply pressing the backspace key, we can erase anything. Spacebar key. It is the longest key of the keyboard. It is used to give the blank space between two words. The Shift key. There are some keys on a keyboard with two different symbols marked on it. The upper symbol is called upper character and the lower symbol is called lower character. Shift key is used to type upper character. While pressing the Shift key, we press the key that has the upper character to type the upper character. We can also type capital letter using the Shift key. Enter or Return key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the starting point of next line. It is marked with sign. It is also known as Command key. All the instructions are carried out by the computer when the Enter key is pressed. Facts. Cursor is a blinking line on the monitor. It shows the current position where you should type the text matter. Delete key. Anything that is typed in the right side of the cursor is erased using Delete key. Function keys. The keys marked with F1, F2, up to F12 are called function keys. These keys are also used as shortcut keys to perform special functions. For example, F5 is used to refreshes the page. Do's and don'ts while using keyboard. Keyboard should be handled with proper care as it is an integral part of the computer. Do remember the following tips while using the keyboard. We should not keep anything on keyboard. We should not pull or push the keyboard harshly. We should not press the keys too hard. While typing, we should gently press the keys and remove our finger quickly, otherwise the same letter is typed again. Facts. The keys on a keyboard are not arranged in order from A to Z when they are present as Q, W, E, R, T, Y, and so on. Such keyboards are called QWERTY keyboard. For the teacher, if a multimedia keyboard is there in the computer lab, explain the functions of the extra keys. Let us recall. Keyboard is one of the most important part and input device of the computer system. The keys marked with numbers 0 to 9 are called number keys. The keys at the right-hand side of the keyboard that are marked with arrow signs are called cursor keys. The keys marked with F1, F2, and F12 are called function keys.